how to fix Google Maps current location. In this video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this on your uh, Google Maps. Just watch this video till the end. So now you have to search for settings of your phone, and after this go directly to apps option, and here what's next, you have to search only for maps. Open Maps when you found it like this, and then go to storage option, click on clear data, then click OK, and then you have to go back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what's next, guys? Go to this option, set as a default, and click on clear default here, and you have now to restart your phone. After restarting your phone, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe in our channel. If you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in another video.